Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. I wanted to quick touch base and let you know what your assignments are for the week. First of all, you're going to read in the textbooks chapters 4, 5, and 6. And there is a reading assessment when you finish with that. The next discussion board is on common communicable diseases. It's a great time of year for that. We're all dealing with some of that right now, either with your family or your kids in your class or in your classes at Medicine College. You're going to choose an illness similar to what you did with chronic diseases, and you're going to name your topic here. Please check this discussion board. This is just discussion board to list your topic. Please check and make sure that your topic is not taken. Your communicable disease is not taken and enter it here. And then you're going to go back, and in this discussion board, you're going to identify the signs and symptoms. You're going to discuss the method of transmission, share the length of communicability, find a video, image, audio clip, or other online resource that would help us identify this illness in a child. So you want to look for a video or find a picture and attach it. In the slideshow that I'm going to show you in just a second, or the PowerPoint, it's going to show you some kind of ideas of different ones for some of the other ones. Okay. Week number 4, the second one is germs are all around us, and that's talking about how we all do our part to keep ourselves healthy and to keep everyone else healthy. So and then there's these medication scenarios. For the medication scenarios, what you need to do is go into your licensing book and look at what you need to include when you're recording a medication. So you're going to go into your licensing manual, you're going to look up medications, you're going to look for what you need to include, and then you're going to go and look at the scenarios on this handout and say if they were done correctly, or if they need to be fixed, and if they need to be fixed, what you have to fix in order to have them correct for licensing purposes. There's also a universal precautions assessment. This is going to be, there's a reading you're going to do on what universal precautions are. Here is the handout, the assignment that goes with it. Okay, so if we go back and we go into the weekly folder, so that's just the homework folder. If we go into the weekly folder, here it is, and I'm sorry it didn't open. I must have not entered the date in right because it wasn't open today, and usually it's open by the first day. But here are licensing. This is the licensing regulations, so you can go into this to look for what you need to record for when you give a medication. This is a slideshow that goes through and talks about different common communicable diseases. It's really interesting because if you look at it, it has information, and it's just very short, but it shows you different common communicable diseases. So if you look down here, you can see that this is measles, and you can see what measles looks like. If you go down here, this is rubella, the German measles, and this is what that one looks like. The great one is when you get to asthma, there's actually a video of a child with asthma and what an asthma, different sounds of cough. So this is an audio of coughs. I think this link is there, but if not, I'll fix it. So you can actually hear just some of the coughs that you might hear. And so you're going to go through that, take a look at all the different communicable diseases, which is lovely. It'll have everyone feeling like they need to wash their hands, or maybe that's just me. Then there's also, okay, so this is, this is not, you're not going to see this because this is for next week. This week we're doing communicable diseases. Next week we're going to be doing SBS. This is a whooping cough video. This is where the video is. It might not be in the PowerPoint. This is, you'll be able to hear what whooping cough sounds like. This is a lice video, and it's really funny. It's kind of a ridiculous way to talk about it, but it actually has got some good facts and it's fun to listen to. This is a communicable disease chart. You would find that in any child care center hanging, because as soon as a child gets something, you need to, if they're sick with the flu or if they have whooping cough or any of the other common diseases, you check that chart to see if it's something that you need to report to the Center of Disease Control. Or if it's something like lice, you would not have to report that, but it tells you kind of what to do, the period of communicability, things like that. Here is the form that you would need in order to give medication in a child care center to a child. So mom and dad, grandma, uncle, sister, whatever, drops off child is sick, needs medication. There's a form, very specific form that needs to be filled out. And this is just a cough, just talks about covering your cough, and then there's an article on cold or flu. How do you know the difference between a cold and a flu? So there's a bunch of information this week. There's some great pictures. If you have any questions, feel free to give me either a call or you can email me, and I will talk to you next week.